Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front license plate bracket, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.